Hi friends, welcome to Korshika. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install and integrate Django All-Auth with Oscar project. I found there are a lot of developers who ask questions over the internet about how to install and integrate Django All-Auth with Oscar as they got stuck while integrating it. That's why I thought to provide them a solution. So I am creating this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to this channel to get the new video updates first to you, because your likes and subscribe motivates me to do new videos. I always come up with the new and interesting topics of Python, Django and other programming languages on 2 days per week. So please hit the subscribe button to get the updates. Now let's start the tutorial. Here I have opened Django Oscar read the docs and Django All-Auth read the docs for the stable version. Now here open Oscar apps, open customer. Here customer app contains the views that allow a customer to manage their data, that is profile information, that is to store website users data. Next we will see the views provided by this app. This is an account auth view of customer app. This is actually a slightly odd double form view that allows a customer to either log in or register. Using this view in Oscar, we can allow the customers to either log in or register by using only local accounts. But suppose we want to allow the customers to log in or register using both local and social accounts like Google, Facebook, etc. The best option is to use All-Auth in our Oscar project. Here I am assuming that you know the Django All-Auth library. In this channel, first time I am creating this tutorial for Django All-Auth. However, I will create another tutorials for Django All-Auth package details and setup. So here I will not go into the depth about it. But let's see what the docs of Django All-Auth says. Now open this library on GitHub. Click Django All-Auth. Now let's read here. Django All-Auth is an integrated set of Django applications addressing authentications, that is for login, registration, account management, as well as third-party social account authentication. That is, it allows the users to log in using social accounts like Google, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Now let's read here rationale. Most existing Django apps that address the problem of social authentication focus on just that. That is, most existing Django apps that address the problem of social authentication. That's why Django All-Auth is started. You typically need to integrate another app in order to support authentication via a local account. This approach separates the words of local and social authentication. Integrating both words is a quite tedious process. It is definitely not a matter of simply adding one social authentication app and one local account registration app to your install app list. This is the reason this project got started, to offer a fully integrated authentication app that allows for both local and social authentication with flows that just work. That is, the purpose of creating Django All-Auth is to provide both local and social authentication to our websites. Now let's start the demo of this tutorial. First open command prompt. I think you know it is highly recommended to install Django Oscar in the virtual environment. So first I will create virtual environment. Type here make virtual env Oscar All-Auth env. You can see here Oscar All-Auth env is created. Now install Django Oscar. Type pip install Django Oscar 1.6.5. Now let's create the project on the desktop. Type here cd desktop Django admin start project Oscar Oloth Pro. Now I will open the project from the desktop. Open terminal. Here you can see our virtual environment is not set to this project. Now we will set it. First open project settings. Now click project. Now open Python interpreter. Here click on the add option. Select virtual env environment. Now choose existing environment. Here we will set our already created virtual environment. Now click on three dots. You can see here our just created virtual environment. Now select here it's Python interpreter. Click OK, then click OK. Then click apply and OK. You can see here our virtual environment is now set to this project. Now let's add first Oscar settings. Open settings.py file. We will refer Oscar docs for that. Open this link. First, edit your settings file to import all of Oscar default settings. Add this to our settings. Add here. Now modify your templates to include the main Oscar templates directory and add the extra context processors. Copy this line. Add here. Now let's add both these directories. Here first template directory points to our local templates directory and Oscar main template directory points to Oscar's default template directory. Now add this Oscar context processors. Oscar context processors. Here we have debug request auth messages. Same here, debug request auth messages, but we don't have I18. Now copy this. Now add here. Next, modify install apps to be a list. Add Django sites, Django flat pages, and widgetwix. Copy this. Here go to install app section. Add here. Now let's add compressor and widgetwix. Apps for Oscar. Copy this line. Add here. Here get core apps function returns Oscar default apps. So we need to add Oscar's default apps to our install app section using this method. Next, set site ID to 1. Note here that Oscar requires Django flat pages, which is not included by default. Flat pages also require Django contrib.sites. Now let's add Oscar middlewares. Copy this. Add here Oscar middlewares. Now let's set authentication backends to use Oscar backends and Django backends. Copy this. Add here. Here, Oscar backends allow customers to sign in using an email address rather than a username. Next, ensure that your media and static files are configured correctly. At least we need to add a setting media URL and static URL. If you are serving files locally, you will also need to set media root and static root. Now let's add a configuration for media and static files. Type here static files directories equals to list of os dot path dot join base directory comma static. Now add static root equals to os.path.join base directory comma static files. Now add media URL equals to /media root equals to os.path.join base directory comma media. Now add hashtag connections option in our project settings. Next, add atomic request to true in our database settings. Now we need to add Oscar URLs to our project URLs file. First add this URL. Open urls.py. Add here. Now type here from django.conf.urls import URL comma include now add this. Next we will add Oscar URLs. Add here. Change this to path. Remove include. Oscar URLs. Here we added all the settings for Oscar. As per these docs, next we need to run migrate command to create the database tables. But we want to create auth user table and its related tables for both local and social account authentication details. So we need to add first all auth settings. Then we need to run the migrate command first time, because Django creates auth user table in the first migration itself. But suppose now if we run the migrate command and after adding Django all auth settings, if we run migrate command to create database tables for all auth settings, on the existing database, then this migration will fail because the table it attempts to create is already exist, that is auth user is already exist. Now let's do auth setup. Open installation. First install Django auth. Here open terminal equals to 0.38.0. We have successfully installed Django auth. Next, Django contributor site is required in our install app section. Yes, we have Django contributor site. Now in the template section, auth need this from Django. Here we have Django template.context processors.request. Next, we need to add auth authentication backends. Copy this. Add here. This is Oscar backends. Now install app section, we need to have this Django contrib.auth, Django contrib.messages, Django contrib.sites. Here we have Django contrib.auth, Django contrib.messages, Django contrib.sites. Now add this all auth apps to our install app section. All auth apps. The following are social account providers that allows us to log in using social accounts like Google, Facebook, etc. We can use these providers later if you want. Next, we already set site ID to 1. Now add all auth URLs to our project URLs file. Open URLs. Add here. Change this to auth accounts because Oscar has the same URL path. Type here all auth URLs. Next, open the terminal. Install compressor pip. Install Django compressor. Next, run the migrate command to create the database tables. Python manage.py migrate. Next, run the server Python manage.py run server. Now open this link. Open /auth account / here all auth account / like sign up, login, logout are all auth URLs for authentication, registration, etc. Here account / is the Oscar URL. Now open accounts / you can see here account / login, account / register, account / logout are Oscar URLs for authentication purposes, account / profile for profile views. Now open auth account / sign up. Here sign up form is not showing us. We need to override this template to extend Oscar layout.html template. Here open site packages, all auth, templates, open account, open signup.html template. Here this template is created under account directory. In this template they have extended account base.html template. Now let's create our templates directory. Next create account directory. We have to create same template path here. Next create signup.html. Copy this all code. Here we need to extend Oscar/layout.html. Refresh this page. This is AllAuth's default sign up form. For sign up, it is prompting the user for username, email. It is an optional, and password. If you want to authenticate using email and don't want to prompt the user for username while sign up, we need to add some configurations. Now open here configuration. First we need to set account authentication method to email. This specifies whether the user want to log in using username or email address. In our case, set it to email. Equals to email. Next we need to set account email required to true. Then it will prompt the user for email address when signing up. Set to true. Next we need to set account email verification to none. At this point, at this time we don't want to verify the email. To none. Now set account username required to false. Then the form will not prompt the user to enter username when signing up. Equals to false. Go to browser, refresh the page here. You can see here the form is prompting for only email address. Now let's sign up here. Enter email address john@gmail.com. Enter password. Again enter password. Click sign up. Here we have successfully signed in as John. This user profile view shows user account summary. Open edit profile link. Here user can edit his profile details. This user data is stored by AllAuth sign up view, but Oscar dynamically shows the account summary view and profile editing form by using the user model fields. Did you notice here we automatically logged in this Oscar site by signing up using AllAuth view. That means we successfully integrated Django AllAuth in our Oscar project. Here I have opened admin site. Now open users table. Here a user John is created in this table. So friends, here we successfully integrated Django AllAuth in Oscar project. In this tutorial, we learned how to install and integrate Django AllAuth in Oscar. If you like this tutorial, please like this video and please friends subscribe to the channel to get the new video updates first. Now we will meet in the next tutorial with the new topic. Bye bye.